How to fix Viber call failed error on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Viber call failed error on Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and here click Viber, and now click storage, here storage, and then click clear cache, and then go to permissions and check this one here, storage and microphone and camera. Check all of those and just click on it and click allow, and then allow all of those. Now just go back and try again and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.